Hi, Chris Naef here, doing my own hydroponics deal after watching a whole bunch of videos, and then still came up with a different setup. I just want to show you what I'm doing, so if it works I can post this video later and some of you might want to do the same thing. So started out with 2 IBC containers. You can see those in the ground now. There's a lot out there on chop and flip where you chop the top of the IBC and use it as a grow bed, which is what's going to happen here. These 2 grow beds over there will actually be right here over these 2 tanks, and they will drip down into the tanks. They'll only cover the tank halfway over. What I'm doing in the middle here is this is a poop filter. So this is for the fish waste, hopefully to flow out of the bottom of the IBC. So I have a rubber boot, a 2-inch boot, reduced down into, if you can see this down here, 2-inch rubber boot reduced down to a smaller PVC thing, and then I just glued the heck out of it with PVC glue. So I'll be coming out of there and then coming back into the barrel about halfway up the barrel or so. So this barrel is very deep down in the ground, and I'm just trying to get it level and as close to ground level as I can right now. This is a pickle barrel, and if you see this thing down here, I'm hoping to be able to use this to keep the fish away from the intake there, but this floats, so I'm gonna have to weight it down with a brick or something. And I plan on putting tilapia in here because I'm in the south. Tilapia, everything I've heard, they're herbivores, so they eat stuff like this. I pulled this out of my fish tank and it grows like crazy. I'm hoping the tilapia will like it, and duckweed and other things you can grow in your grow beds. So hopefully, I got to get aerators for both tanks, and then I have a pump that draws 800 gallons, and that's enough to turn over the volume of these tanks 1.5 times per hour. These tanks are a little over 200 gallons each, maybe 250, I forget. But when I did the calculations, 800 gallons will turn these tanks over about 1.5 times per hour, which should be good for the fish. So that's all for now. I'll hopefully be posting this once I'm eating tilapia.